In today's video, we are visiting Dubrovnik. I have always wanted to come here. It is such a beautiful place with some incredible history and culture, and I just can't wait to get out of Manchester. The clouds, they're just not for me. So that's why today I'm taking you guys to Croatia, but not just Croatia, Dubrovnik. Let me take you back to this morning. One thing I don't like are these early starts, 5 a.m. Hello. Ready? Yeah. This was booked for 6:60. Where are we going to?
Dubrovnik.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. I will be when I wake up.
When you wake up. First biggest life hack, hand luggage. Will it fit or will it not? Voila.
Oh my goodness.
Link in the video description. Perfect dimensions, Jet 2, BA, amazing. And we have landed into Dubrovnik Airport. And so we've just arrived at Dubrovnik Airport. Now, to get into Dubrovnik, you can get the airport shuttle, but it is 10 euros per person. We went on the Uber app, and it is a 30 euro trip to Hotel Moor, which is actually in Lapad, so it's not in Dubrovnik Old Town, which is where a lot of people will be going to. This weather is not what I came to Dubrovnik for. Just doing our check-in, and we have just arranged for a breakfast box on Tuesday when we are going to Mostar, so that's a really exciting video that we've got planned later in this trip. We have just checked in to our hotel room, and it has got a pretty amazing balcony to it, but it's a pretty dreadful day. What a way to start your trip in Dubrovnik. Looking out onto the beautiful ocean. Terrible rain. Not good. Not good at all. So we're here in August, and this is pretty rare. So don't think that this is what you're probably going to expect. The weather is just ridiculous this year. They've had 3 days of just non-stop rain, and this is pretty depressing. As you can see, it's like we've just come to Dubrovnik and got off the plane, hoping for some beautiful sunny skies. And I hate to say it, but the weather was better in Manchester.
Stop raining.
Ooh, wow, the sun's coming out.
People are at the pool.
People are at the pool, which is a good sign. That is amazing, and I'm so happy about that because I was really worried that our first day would just be really miserable. But the sun is out, I can finally see blue skies, there's no rain anymore. Oh my god, we can see a water park in the distance. An inflatable water park by me. The sun! We've got the sun!
That's really satisfying.
What is?
Doing this.
That's satisfying doing that. Go on, do the other side. Wow, easily pleased.
Look at me, I'm in a damn hat. Sunglasses, I'm ready for my holiday.
You literally shout holiday with the outfit.
I'm ready, let's go. We're starting it the only way Brits know how.
Which is how? With a cup of British tea. So classic and so British. English breakfast tea with English weather.
It's way better than when we arrived.
Oh god, horrendous.
That was treacherous.
That was miserable.
It was. I thought we were back in Manchester.
We've decided to go for a little explore of the hotel, just wander around the grounds and see what this place is all about. Mission number 1 is going to be filling our tummies.
Starving.
I am pretty hungry. This is one of the 2 restaurants, Restaurant Moor and then Tramontana restaurant, which is more fish oriented. These are 2 really prominent restaurants as well in the area of Lapad, which is where we're staying for the first 3 nights. A lot of people, when they come to Dubrovnik, they do think of staying in the old town and the castle walls. We're spending our final 3 days there, but for now we're going to be spending it over this side of Dubrovnik.
What this says? Fish, £3 million. Another thing of fish, £2 million. Everything's £1 million.
Sweetheart. It's very reasonable prices when you're travelling in Europe, you know. 40 euros normal.
41 euros. I want to sit down there with some stripy towels. It's giving me Pinterest vibes.
Pinterest vibes?
Yeah, I love Pinterest, it's obviously.
Wow.
Girls that get it, get it.
The girls that get it, apparently.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't particularly understand it, but Pinterest vibes.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, you got Pinterest vibes there. Do you want to go down? There's people there.
All like European girls with tans and Aperol spritz, which I have neither.
What I'm really loving about this hotel is as you just walk down, you get on to this walkway which takes you to all these lovely little areas where you can just put your towels down, come for a chill, and just swim in the ocean. And I imagine when it's sunny, this is absolutely beautiful because right now it is stunning. And I just can't wait to get in, but probably on a brighter day.
Yeah, I'm glad I bought those silly flippers.
Yeah, that I told you to buy.
On Amazon, link
For
below,
your,
guys.
For your
link
feet,
below.
for your tootsies, so you can protect them.
Yeah, because last holiday I broke my second phalange and it's never quite recovered.
So Jenny doesn't like fish. Anything to do with the sea, she won't eat it. And we've come to somewhere that is very, very famous for its seafood. How do you feel about that?
Not fantastic.
Not fantastic, because we're going to have
fantastic.
a lot of difficulty when it comes to looking for restaurants, because we're already writing off at least 80%.
I feel like you did this knowingly to try and get me to eat
To start eating better food.
Yeah.
That is such a pretty house, gotta say. What's it reminding you of?
Is this Italy that I haven't been to
For
again?
God's sake.
No, I don't know.
Babe, you can't come to every different country and start making references to a different country.
I don't know what it reminds me of. What does it remind you of?
A beautiful home in Europe.
Correct.
Which is what it is. So we've just walked along the beach, Uvala Lapad, which is the beach right next to our hotel. And we're just looking for a place to eat right now. And if you're wondering how I find my good recommendations, Lonely Planner. Find it in the video description. You know, I do get a little kickback, but it's got really, really good suggestions, and we're just gonna look for somewhere to eat based on what this says.
The Travel Bible.
Is me. This is just the extension of me. One thing I'm definitely noticing is the houses in this area are so, so beautiful. And this is where we're going. Chihuahua. You ready? Tortillas,
So
fun
ready.
stuff.
Starving.
Let's go. Oh my God, I cannot believe this weather outside. It has just switched again. It is like, oh, it is a rainstorm.
This is actually more rain than monsoon season
This
in Thailand.
is really, really
Monsoon
bad.
season goes in Dubrovnik
And look how we're dressed.
for the beach.
What is actually happening? It is 1 minute sunny,
raining.
1 minute raining. Guys, if you are looking for an amazing Mexican, this is the spot right here. These burritos are absolutely delicious. I'm not even joking. I've got the El Afrodisiaco. Yours is beef. Unreal. I might need to steal more of your food. Come here, you'll love it. And if you're wondering how to lose your girlfriend, shops. What have you found, sweetheart?
European trinkets, somewhat creepy. Magnets for your grandma.
Yeah.
Grandmas love a good magnet and a old-fashioned postcard. I've got my boat hat.
Yeah.
I'm just missing my gondola and my stick. One cornetto.
We've come back to Uvala Lapad Beach, which is the beach just there, and the sun is out, and I've got to say it looks absolutely amazing in this heat and super refreshing. There's loads of sunbeds as well, and I love the fact that there's that big inflatable water park in the distance. I feel like that's calling my name. I don't know about you, sweetie, but I'm feeling like that water park is where I need to be.
It's about to be covered in my burrito.
Honestly, it's unreal here though. Like so pretty, and the fact that it's right by the hotel is so nice. I think the plan's gonna be jump in the sea, but we do need the feet protecting sea shoes because it is all pebbly here. There's no sand on the beaches in Dubrovnik, so just be aware of that. If you come, you can buy them obviously in these shops for a lot more than you need to be paying, but make sure you come equipped with those. Oh, what have you got here, sweetheart?
For the
Freshly
most
made.
amazing ice creams.
What flavour did we get?
Pistachio.
Am I gonna get some of that?
Don't
Or-
fall for me. What?
I feel like you're dropping dad
I'm
jokes
on
today.
fire
You're on
today.
fire, but this
It's out of control.
dad joke, babe.
I
Dad
don't
joke.
care. Your dad joke or not. It's
Dad
funnier
joke.
than you.
Yeah.
Matthew.
This is pretty accurate though. I buy myself an ice cream. I don't get to enjoy it. I don't like pistachio. Oh, I don't want that. I'm not gonna get it back. Gotta say though, gelato here, phenomenal. So creamy, and it's not even expensive. €2.20 for a scoop. Cannot go wrong. Koogla, big thumbs up, right by the beach. if you want to go cliff jumping, you can do that here as well. Not today, babe. Life insurance.
I actually kind of want to do that.
You want to jump off a cliff?
It looks fun.
Do you want to die?
You won't die. Look, there's a
I know,
rope
but I don't
there
want to
for-
risk it.
You have to do like the Tarzan thing where you like run and jump on the rope.
Okay.
Yes.
Just like that, we got the towels from the Hotel Moore, which is where we're staying, and it is just the perfect time in the afternoon to just come and enjoy the sun. This is the best time around sunset to get those beautiful hues, especially when you're trying to get these photos right here. But this water looks incredibly inviting, a bit aggressive, but at the same time, I feel like I need to get in. What do we think?
1000%.
I'm gonna let you go first.
I think you should lead by example on this one.
But I think because you suggested it, you wanted to show me
Ladies
how it's done.
first.
Precisely, you took the words out of my mouth.
I mean,
So-
I didn't, but you can have that one.
Off you pop. All right, off we go. You're gonna show us how it's done.
The mushroom on top of
You
my
have
head.
got the mushroom on your head.
I don't want to get my hair wet.
Really, it's calm. It's actually calm, which is unlike your mood recently. But that's fine. Babe, it's fine. Honestly, it's not cold.
You're not in it. Oh,
Neither are you.
my tootsies are in it.
Your
though.
tootsies.
Oh!
All right, I'm gonna get in because she's not bothered. So I'm just gonna have to shut up. I'm a bit more worried about the getting back out part because it does seem pretty choppy and aggressive, but
Yeah, we'll worry about that later.
we'll worry about that later. It's fine, sweetie.
It's
How was my technique?
Oh, shocking.
No, it wasn't. It was great.
It was Brits abroad.
It was Brits abroad. Don't ever call me Brits abroad.
Yeah.
That is not what.
You might as well substitute that horrendous, leg apart, treacherous jump for a belly flop
You wouldn't have thought I was a swimmer.
or an
With that
underwhelming
performance.
pencil dive.
Yeah. Or a whale. Shall we go and eat food and end up looking like whales?
Yeah, because we've just eaten and now we're just going meal to
Let's
meal.
let's go have dinner. Do you reckon you'll be ready in half an hour?
No.
Shall we call it 20 minutes as a compromise? How long do you need? Come
I'm a
on,
girl.
babe. I know, really.
It's the law.
Sure.
It's the law.
How much time do you need?
More time than you'll ever give me. That's how much.
We're back, aren't we? What now?
Yeah. Shower and dinner.
Quick change.
Yeah.
20-minute change. This is going to be a world record for Jenny to get dressed. 20-minute shower, 20-minute turnaround time. We'll be back in this restaurant in
You're
no time.
dreaming.
Let's go get ready. All right, ready for dinner? Always the highlight of the night. Not Jenny coughing herself to death. I'm talking about this part right here. It's the wine. This is the part that we were waiting for. I got a beef tartare.
Then we both got the same Dubrovnik.
Dubrovnik dish. We're going to find out exactly what that is. It looks really enticing. I'm quite excited about
I
that.
have no idea what we've just ordered. And then we both ordered steak with
In truffle sauce.
in that. Yeah.
That's good. It looks really interesting.
That's
Nice though. I'll give it a 7. And also the mains have arrived. Is it good? Are you happy? I've got to say this steak with truffle sauce is absolutely delicious. And all in all, tonight's dinner's been a really, really amazing experience. Having the sunset with the beautiful pastel colours, the service has been great, food's been great, and all in, I'm really happy with this experience. So you cannot go wrong with Restaurant Moore. It is unbelievable. Thank you so much. I'm just going to take this. And
Yeah.
This looks unreal. How's it too?
I think you should carry on with your story.
There you guys have it. That has been an amazing day arriving to Dubrovnik. Such a tiring one, but I'm so excited for the rest of this trip. So if you want to check out what we got up to here in Dubrovnik, check out this playlist right here. But as for me, I'm signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one.